Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Just in case you wondered or didn't realize, I didn't stop publishing. I've been creating short videos. Check it out, or you can follow me on Instagram for reels. Today, I think it's about time to make another version of egg rolls, very popular appetizers. And I'm gonna make it with the chicken. And the ingredients are so simple. Let's get started. First, we're going to make the filling. Add some avocado oil or any vegetable oil. And this is one chicken breast, about 6 ounces. Brown the meat till they're lightly brown. After a few minutes, you can see there's no more moist, and we just need to season with a little bit salt and white pepper. Initial seasoning. Now we add the vegetables. There's a chopped cabbage and carrot. Combine. Let this cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After about a few minutes, vegetables are getting tender. Now let's flavor with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, stir it. Wow, smells good already. And finally, we finish with sesame oil. And the filling is ready. We'll let the filling cool off before we make the egg rolls. Now let me show you how to wrap egg roll. Take one wrapper with the corner towards yourself and just add filling, about 2 tablespoons. Do we need to measure? I'm measuring for you guys, okay? Now roll it, cover it like this, tighten it like this, okay? And dip some water. Fold it to the middle, fold it. Now keep rolling. It's our first egg roll. Let's try one more time. Add the filling in the middle. Not middle, towards yourself, towards this corner. Now roll it, right? Come in and roll again. Now we can tap some water and fold in this side, right? And fold in the other side. Now we keep rolling and rolling. There we go. Our egg roll. Last one. We made 14 egg rolls. Instead of deep frying or pan frying, today we're going to air fry. I think 4 is enough. Cannot be too crowded. Then we spray some oil. Then flip over. So on 350, put 12 minutes. We will check at halftime. Let's fry it. So at halfway now, 6 minutes passed. Let's flip them. Almost 12 minutes. Let's check. Wow, they're getting brown. Maybe we'll give another 2 minutes, right? Flip it. One more time. Don't forget this one. Maybe spread a little bit more oil. Let's go in. Add 2 more minutes. Time is up. Our egg rolls should be ready. Here are our egg rolls. Looking good. Let's cut one, shall we? Wow. Hear that? We're going to serve with some duck sauce, plum sauce. There you go. Are you ready?
Ready.
Dip in the sauce. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Very crunchy.
Very crunchy. Wow, delicious.
Of course, you can deep fry, pan fry to your own choice, and making in air fryer, it's not greasy, it's easy, and the ingredients are so simple. Please try to make it. And if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.